Welcome to GCB Adarsh College online class. Today we will learn the rules of changing tense. At first we will know if the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, reported speech will not be changed. We have to understand that if the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, there will no change of reported speech. Take the answer or the solution of the sentence. He says that I will be changed by he has done it. Here there is no change of reported speech. Number 2, have a look. He said to me, I have gone there. Here in the reporting verb, we see that the verb is in past tense. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the reported speech will be changed. Whenever we will observe or we will see the reported speech is in past tense, all the tenses of reported speech will be changed. Here we will change the tenses of reported speech in short. Let's have a look on the board. Verb present will be changed to verb past. Am, is, are will be changed to was, were. Have, has will be changed to had. Have been, has been will be changed to had been. Verb past will be changed to had plus verb 3 or past participle. Was, were will be changed to had been. Here have a note. Past continuous, not past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous will be unchanged. Past perfect and past perfect continuous tense will be unchanged. There will be no change of the two tenses. Okay. The students, for your facilities, I am writing here. If the reporting verb is in past tense, all the tenses of reported space will be changed. If the reporting verb, if the reported space is in present tense, the reported space will be changed into past tense. If the reported space is in present continuous tense, will be changed to past continuous tense. Present perfect tense will be changed to past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense will be changed to past perfect continuous tense. Past indefinite tense will be changed to past perfect tense. Past continuous tense will be changed to past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Beside the tenses, we know some auxiliary verb also will be changed. I am writing here. Please wait. Besides, can will be changed to could, will be changed to would, shall will be changed to should, must will be changed to had to. This is the changing form of tenses. By knowing the changing form, we will transform the sentence into indirect speech. Look the blackboard. He told me that. Here I will follow the subject of reporting verb. We know here the changing form of I will be here he. In the reported speech, here the verb is have. That will be changed. The changing form of have will be here had. I hope you have understood. I have been changed here as had. Gone there. Next, in the next sentence, next example, we will learn more. Rana said to him, you can do your duty. Here in the reporting verb, we see that the reporting verb is in past tense. There will be change or change of tenses in the reported speech. we will answer the sentence into indirect speech. Rana told him that. Here the subject of reported speech is in second person. That will follow the object of reporting verb. Here the changing form of you will be here he. In the reported speech the verb is can. That will be changed. We know can is changed into could. Do your will be changed by him. Here the correct form will be his duty. Thus you will change direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, I hope you have understood the changing form of tenses of narration. Thank you all my students. In my next class I will appear before you with next items. Thank you so much.